Hey guys, welcome back, y'all. I'm so excited for this video because it is so hilarious. In a new setting, well, not a new setting, but I moved to the couch. I'm pretty sure y'all remember this couch. Anyways, today's video is going to be a story time. Y'all know I don't do story times like that. So excited to tell this one, but oh, wait. So I am going to be doing story times and like talks on my cords. It's raggedy, but I have this rhinestone top case, y'all. So freaking cute. Look at this. It's from Etsy. I'll tell y'all the exact name once I do my room tour because this will be the laptop that will be sitting on my bed. Story time is about I got caught while having sex. Like, I'm nervous about talking about this. Like, I don't know. I don't get on camera and talk about this stuff. This day, like, oh my God, it shocked me and my mom was like, shh. Before we go into the story time, I do want to say, I don't know. I don't think I want to say his name. I'm going to keep his real name. Anyways. Young, y'all, so don't judge me, don't come for me. I'm gonna tell you my age, okay? Just don't come for me though. You know, when MySpace and my yearbook and stuff was around, my yearbook, well, I was on Facebook, MySpace, and then my yearbook, but I really couldn't get on social medias like that because like my stepdad, he was like really strict about that. He like when MySpace started and then somebody tried to holler at me, like he was like, shut it down, like, and I would get mad. My mom would never let me go outside. Like, even when I got to the point where I got a little older, I don't know, she's just still never let me go outside. Like, it's living in Chicago, I understand her now as a parent because, like, it's so much stuff that happens in Chicago. Like, my friends across the street, like, I lived on 59th in Princeton, so it was 59th in Shields on the other side. So my friend, Brianamccalip, she used to live across the street from me, and, like, it was a lot of stuff happening, especially on that block. A lot of stuff happened on our block, but like, let me tell you, nothing really gets popped off on 59th Street, but everything gets popped off on 59th for Shields. Crazy. It's crazy. Like, the stuff that you will see, it's crazy. And it is sad. It's really sad. My mom would never let me go off the porch, so I just communicate with people online. I do now. Made up my yearbook account. I think I had it for a minute. I don't know what happened to make him start talking to me or like what popped off, but I just know that we was talking. So his name is Dwayne, and well, they call him Wayne for short. I think that's why I met him. So don't judge me for that either, because I know some of y'all that met y'all boos and stuff off the internet. Jamingles, nigga. No, I'm gonna swing. Change numbers. So I think we moved from my yearbook to actually texting. So yeah, I had a phone at a young age too. So, you know, some parents don't let their kids, maybe the track phone. I started out with a track phone, but I didn't have a track phone. It was like a Sprint phone, whatever. We were talking. I don't know if we were leading up to like trying to go together or, you know, or we was going together, but I think we was actually dating. So I was talking to this boy for a minute, and then my cousin, she went to Kennedy King College. I told y'all I could never get off the porch. The only way that I could get off the porch is if my cousin, Tequila, would go with me. Like, she was like my chaperone, basically. So I went because she went to Kennedy King College as well. So when we was walking, I think we was walking out Kennedy King College, and then I saw him. And I was, you know, it was my first time meeting him. So it was like, oh, you know, hey, just some... I don't know, just on some talking stuff. Like, we just talking, and you know, my cousin, she said whatever she said to him. I don't know what she said, but she said something. She was like, boy, you don't pull your pants up. You know, she just overprotective. One of those days that I did not it was one of those days that I did not want to go to school, y'all. I did not want to go. So my mama was feeling kind of sick. She has asthma, so she has those years sometimes when her asthma flares up and it gets like really, really bad. It was like really sick. So I was like, okay, this is the perfect time to stay home and basically say I'm taking care of my mama, but I'm not over there so bad. You know, helping her, but then I had to go. When the D called, talking about it. I think we was talking about it on the phone about him coming over. If I could have found my messages, y'all, I would have read them. I think we was talking about doing that. I think we was just gonna chill or whatever. You're young and your hormones be flaring up. It's over with. And I told him that I didn't go to school. I stayed home. So I was helping my mom. She was asking me and she was telling me what to do and what to get for her. Like, I think she told me to get her an inhaler, watch some movies. Mama eventually fell asleep, y'all. And I thought I was slick. And that's when she was about to go down. It was about to go down, y'all. I thought I was about to be like, okay, I got the D. I'm from school. I'm about to go to sleep, eat something, and go to sleep. But no, that was not the case. So he came over. And y'all know the things on the door where y'all can hear the door, like when somebody comes in. The only person that had the beeping thing was downstairs. So we lived in a two complex. It was an upstairs and a downstairs. So my great grandma and them, they lived downstairs and I lived upstairs. So you can hear it upstairs. The only place you can hear the door opening is downstairs. So I think she came after. He told me that he was at the door. I had went downstairs because I thought my mama was asleep. So she was asleep. All right, but not for long. Nosy. So I went downstairs, let him in. We was talking about having sex. Like, we was just like, okay. And it was in the hallway. Like, y'all do not judge me at all. All I know is that we was talking and then all of a sudden we just started kissing. And then it just led to like get on the floor. Without my pants. I even got to sit on it. So bad, y'all, so bad. But before I even got to sit on it, y'all, I heard my mama calling my name. We was having sex then, so I heard my mama calling my name. She kept calling my name, but then she was trying to find me. So all I know is my man was like, this is feeling kind of good. I'm like blocking it out, like, All I know is she started walking downstairs. I got up so quick, y'all. But the way she walked down the stairs, y'all, this lady walked down the stairs, saw me with my pants down. The boy got up so quick. And I think he opened the door real quick and he ran out the door. She was like, if you... She was cursing. And I think she was gonna chase him out the door, but was running down the street, going back home. Before she came back in the house, I was already upstairs, y'all. Like, already upstairs. I know is, I was like thinking like, oh my God, what she about to do? She about to do? Was my insides are so nervous, like crazy. It was so crazy. She came back upstairs like, oh no, leave them pants down. I know is she took that belt and was like, whack, whack, whack. Y'all, I was crying, and then she was whipping me. Then she stopped whipping me, and then she started crying like, oh my gosh. I don't think she knew that I was having sex at this point, so. I was like, dang, I hurt my mama's feelings, but I didn't mean to. I just wanted to put that. Never stay home from school and have sex. End of it, I don't know. I think she put me on punishment. She took my phone. Yeah, she took my phone, and I went to school the next day, and I wrote about her. I was talking stuff, and the teacher showed her my letter because I was so mad. Y'all young out there, think before having sex. Don't have it. Just wait. Wait till the right place, the right time, honey. Just wait for it. Keep thinking about it like, it just happened. Everything just happened so quick. Anyways, I hope that y'all enjoyed this story time. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Let me know if you want me to do more story times like this. What topic do y'all want me to talk about? Like, it could be like anything girly, hygiene, just anything that y'all want me to talk about. Leave it in the comment section below what y'all want me to talk about. Then I hope that y'all enjoyed this story time. Don't have sex. Don't have sex while you're young. You can wait. And I'll see you guys on the next video.